The Sorrell College of Business has launched a new project, with today's focus being on resume reviewing. Students often have their resumes on hand, but never get the chance to have a second opinion before they go out into the real world.
I think with my resume, I'm just wanting it to be the best it can. I think I have the experience, but I've never really been through the classes and stuff to be able to make my resume the best it can be and have it professional, but also still show the best qualities of me.
Troy University's Sorrell 360 Center allows students to receive professional help on their resumes and learn what's to be expected during their job interviews.
The purpose of doing a resume review is when the students come out, this piece of paper is a representation of them, and they do well if it represents them well, and they have greater opportunity to get a second look or a third look.
Events such as the resume workshop are held every semester, and students are welcome to come out and make sure they're prepared to go out and tackle the workforce.
Some students have worked, and so they would have a perspective, but they've worked at a level where they weren't having to hire people. They were working in an employment kind of thing. So they're not used to thinking like a manager would think in terms of what managers want to look. Do you bring a skill set that would help their business, and there may be things that like leadership or international experience or things like that would show that you have a broader appreciation of people to be able to deal with other folks.
Not only do students want their resumes to be, say, grammatically correct, but they want to stand out from the rest of the crowd. Having a second set of eyes can help students create a resume that employers look for instead of tossing to the back of the resumes on their desk.
Everybody coming out of school will have a resume that looks very, very similar, and so what distinguishes and makes you unique is really important that comes across.
Talor Waymon, Trojan Vision News.